Sometimes life gets busy and your Mac login password just slips right out of your mind. Getting locked out of your Mac stops your whole day cold. We want to help you fix this today without losing any of your important files or photos. We're going to walk you through the right ways to reset that password and get your Mac up and running again safely. Before we jump into the big steps, we always recommend restarting your Mac first just to be sure. Check that your caps lock key isn't stuck on either, because these passwords care a lot about capital letters. If you tried too many times already, your screen might show a timer telling you to wait a bit. If you wait that out and still can't get in, then we are ready to move forward together. Let's get started. Starting with the easiest path, we can use your Apple account to get you back inside if you have File Vault turned on. We begin right at your locked login screen, where you see your username. Go ahead and type what you think your password is a few times until a little question mark button shows up right inside that text field. We want to click that question mark, which might show you a hint if you created one before. If that hint doesn't help you remember, we just click that question mark icon one more time. Now, look closely right above the password box for a message that talks about resetting your password. If you did not see it yet, just type an incorrect password a couple more times until it pops up for you. Once we click that reset message, your Mac is going to turn off and restart itself completely, so just give it a brief moment to load. When the screen lights back up, you will see the recovery assistant asking for your Apple account email address. We need to type that email in carefully and hit the next button. Right after that, go ahead and enter your Apple account password and click next again. Because security is tight, Apple will send a 6-digit verification code directly to your trusted smartphone or another Apple device you own. We just read that code from our phone, type it into the boxes on the screen, and keep moving. Now, the system will show the user accounts on this Mac, so we select our specific username and click Next. This brings us to the screen where we finally create the new password. We want to choose something secure, but something we can actually remember this time. Type your new password into the first box, then type it exactly the same way in the Verify box right below it. Remember, it is very case sensitive, so watch your capital letters. We highly suggest typing a helpful hint in the bottom box this time so you don't get stuck down the road. Once that's filled out, click Next, and then click Restart. Your Mac reboots one last time, bring you to the standard login screen, and we can type our brand new credentials to get right back to work. Alternatively, if the first method didn't work for your setup, we can use the built-in macOS recovery system instead. This is a very powerful utility built right into your Mac's internal drive, but the way we open it depends entirely on how old your machine is. If we are working on a newer Mac with Apple Silicon, which means an M1, M2, or M3 chip, we need to completely shut down the computer first. Then we press down the physical power button and keep holding it down firmly until we see the startup options appear on the screen, where we will select Options and hit Continue. On the other hand, if we are using an older Intel-based Mac, we turn the machine on and immediately hold down the Command and R keys together on the keyboard until the Apple logo shows up. Once the Mac OS recovery screen loads, we do not want to click the main options in the center of the screen. Instead, we move our eyes all the way to the very top menu bar and click on the menu labeled Utilities. From that drop-down list, we go ahead and select Terminal, which opens a small command window. Inside this terminal window, we need to type the words Reset Password as one single word with absolutely no spaces in it. Type it right after the short line of text that's already there, and then press the Return key on your keyboard. This magic command triggers the Recovery Assistant window to open up over our screen. Now, inside this assistant window, we need to click the option that says Deactivate Mac, and then click Deactivate a second time to confirm it. Do not worry about this step at all, because it's completely temporary, and it will not touch, delete, or harm any of your personal data or files. After the system processes this, we are presented with the password reset fields. We type our fresh new password into the first box and then type it again in the verification box to make sure there are no typos. Just like before, we can add a clever hint in the space provided to protect ourselves down the road. We click the next button to finalize the change, and a message will tell us the password is reset. Finally, we click Exit, move our mouse to the top left corner to click the Apple menu and select Restart. Your Mac reboots normally, and we can log in with our new credentials. So, getting locked out of your own Mac feels stressful, but these two official recovery methods make the reset process smooth and safe. We hope this step-by-step guide helps you unlock your screen and gets you back to your regular daily tasks without any further delay. Share your experience in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to get more videos like this.